Hello everyone, it's me Dino and with my friend here that's an idiot. We're looking at Gacha Cringe. And I hate it.
And we're starting with this.
Yes, we're starting with that and I hate it so bad. I just wanna die.
This is abuse. For this.
Kill me.
Shadow Freddy, I suppose. And she's baby. So this is basically Baby X Shadow Freddy.
Why? Where's the sweet home Alabama? I need the sweet home Alabama.
We need home,
Alabama. Oh, what the? Whoa! Well there, bud. God dang. Bro, are you okay?
It has to be 18. It has to be. So, yeah. Either they're gonna arrest the whole...
Ew. If you see this, very end, say that. Go die in a hole. Oh, okay, yeah,
Like
sure.
Like your...
My
You're
God.
gonna get your head bitten off, boy.
No. Oh, no. So I'm eating grapes. Alright. Time to go, I'm going to go, call the FBI now. And also I'm gonna get Sweet Home Alabama here.
You can't do anything about this. You can't do anything about this. Just that I'm gay.
Okay, hold up. Edgy, man. Bad edit.
Error F Inc. I've seen that. And boy, who
18 plus. Bro, how's this 18 plus? Huh? We'll delete if it's what?
Good for you.
Me and oh God. That's not a good thing to joke about though.
Like, if you don't want to go to school, you get kidnapped. You can basically be like, wait, am I never going to school again?
Well,
Wait, am I going to school? Hey, you're not going to go to school again. And you're like, hell yeah. Like,
I mean, yeah, that's literally the bad part of it. Like, you get tortured. It's sad. Oh, what the? Ew! Wait.
I have. I'm joking.
Can I go home now?
No.
Ah, dang it. Broccoli's, what? Ew, I don't like broccoli. Ugh. I don't think I can. Oh no, nuh-uh. Scroll down, please. Scroll down. What is this?
Oh, swimsuits.
Oh, swimsuits. Good job.
Ain't good enough. What the hell is this? Oh, guys, been overlapped.
Oh God. Luckily, I don't have a child. God, man. Oh God. Are you dating anybody?
Anybody?
Yes.
Who are you dating?
Oh crap! Dang, man. You never.
Have you ever done it?
We need to get that accent. Wait, we have a child. Wait. How do boys get child? Kids whatever you get. Oh, God. Sweet home Alabama.
But the weird
Oh,
question is, did he screw him or did he screw Azalu? This guy. Has he screwed this guy or has this guy screwed him? That's a good question. Oh, have a really good look. For you. There's the gay stuff. Hey, well, good. I do not approve. I do not approve.
Can I go home now? I want to go home.
I don't approve.
I want to come home.
They're all gay.
No thanks. I good.
Good for you.
Kid, help her. Nah, I don't want to help her. Good one, babe. Babe.
Jesus. You knocked up the Jesus out of them. Picked them up and slammed them on
Jesus Christ. Oh, what the? Oh. Whoa. Oh, wait. What? Hold up. What? Why is this a thing?
Wow.
Yo, also, female and female are not gay. They're lesbians. Female and female are lesbians, not gay. God. Oh, what? What is this? Oh, this is Gacha Online in Roblox. It's a bunny.
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh God, Alpha everywhere. Bunny, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah. I'm not even RP. Moonlight, you're gonna catch up with us, stupid. The King of Devils. And the Ultimate Queen Emo. Oh God. I'm gonna have a bad worry. I'm gonna get like a big vibe about this again. Oh.
Why are you not reading the title?
Oh.
Treated like a baby.
Wait, what? OMG, so cute. What? Oh. This gotta be sent out.
Same shoes, same pants, same hair, my favorite shirts, same hair, same look.
They're twins. They're twins. Oh, I remember, I remember this one time when I was like, someone had a birthday, and there was like a bunch of kids, and this one kid she liked Gacha, and there's nothing really wrong with Gacha, but she was like watching a Gacha singing battle, like Girl vs. Boy, and then I remember one of the boys said, oh, the same, whatever, like, oh, they don't look like twins. Look, that one's perfect, that one's perfect. God.
Look at my screen.
Oh, whoa!
I hate this 100%.
Can I, go home now?
No, that's still a no.
What? What in the world? What?
Yeah, but it just went worse.
It's gotten worse. More and more and deeper into Gacha cringe is worse. I mean it will. Oh. How can boys get, like, pregnant? breakers. Ah. But you spelled the B word wrong. Oh god. Ew, what's going on here?
Fake smile.
Yeah.
Fake
Smile.
That's a fake smile.
Bro, where's her scars though? I'm just gonna say that.
It'll hit her that much. You show scars. They'll want to teach her a lesson.
Ew.
Oh,
What?
It's a mask.
Oh, so that's why she never, blinked. Why? Why do people think, what's going on here? Oh no!
That's a short bitch.
Why do people think 9/11 is funny? Yo, wait, what?
I ate guts.
Kill me, please. I just want to go home. Okay, I really don't have like that enough time. I'm gonna
What is this?
I'm gonna leave off with the Sweet Home Alabama.
Yeah, no, you're still watching.